Let's see. Let's see this picture of him.
Cooked or uncooked carp.
What does he eat?
I wouldn't want to have that. 2 dozen duck eggs, a dozen colossal cakes made with dried apricot or other fruit. And he's still hungry from the minute he wakes up. So I always have 2 dozen fried eggs waiting for him on the table.
Have them eggs ready.
Oh, his amazed mom told a reporter he eats those and then he just keeps on eating for the rest of the day until it's time for bed. Oh yeah! Can't you see I'm in love?
You little dance, Grandma?
Oh, that is beautiful. Boy.
Merry Christmas.
Love you too.
Love you.
Okay.
Well.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.